In the previous lecture, you have successfully configured and seen the init method in action. That is, our object was instantiated, the setter methods were invoked, and then our init method, which is the high method, was invoked. Then we have used the object, but at the end, the destroy method or the buy method on the patient wasn't invoked. So in this lecture, you will see why that is. The reason that the buy method was not invoked, although we configured it in the config.xml, is that the Spring container, before it shuts down, we need to tell it that it needs to invoke the destroy method. We need to configure or register a pre-destruction hook or pre-shutdown hook. We do that programmatically in our test.java. On the context, we need to tell the container, or we need to enable a pre-destruction hook. Before the container gets destroyed, it should also invoke the destroy methods. That is exactly what we are going to tell the container. We do that using the context, but the application context class does not have the registration method to configure the pre-shutdown hook. We need to do it on the abstract application context. This is a parent class of application context, abstract. So you need to add abstract at the beginning. Hit Ctrl+1 to import that from Spring Framework. Do a Ctrl+Shift+O to organize the imports. Now context.register shutdown hook. So this is a method that we need to invoke on the abstract application context, which tells the Spring container that it needs to invoke the destroy methods. We are enabling that feature. Run the test again. And this time you will see that it goes inside the buy method as well. So the setters get invoked after the object creation. It goes into the init method. We use the object in our program as we need it. In this case, we are simply displaying the details. Then it also invokes the destroy method. And from that buy method, we are getting this text which says inside the buy method.